But other experiences don't work. But other experiences won't work with sound. So you need to, because only you need to play a game. Because only you need to. So you have to wait at this Brookhaven RP loading. And then you buy the server. Then first you see like a so I am in a server. Because only I'm here in this. Because I'm here in the place. Okay. Let's go. Look. Oh, looking is so hard in this game. But only. And first, the helicopter. And we got all helicopter differences. Got all helicopter differences. And first, this one is called police. This one is called rescue. This one is called rich. And this one is called military. And this one is called agency. And this one is called sheriff. And this one is called state trooper. Let's be a state trooper. I'm a state trooper. We got third person view. I'm now in third person view. And so, let's enjoy. And so, do not fly it without the premium pass. But to fly without the premium pass, you must do something called the frat house. But do something new at the frat house. Very cool. So enjoy the video. I'll make another one after. Thank you for doing it.